subscribe this channel and click bell icon. Hi friends, this is Selva. Day by day IT related content videos I will upload in my channel. Subscribe this channel because IT related content videos and PF related videos uploaded. Okay, now today we are see for approval at time we are getting error code 500 for PF related video dependent. Okay, now today we are just on computer uploaded at a time while unexpected error mean server busy error. Okay, this is a maximum server busy error. Once you don't tomorrow and stay couple of times, just you check it or try after some time, you maximum get it. Now I try to this thing. Okay, and sign in PDF. I get see this like error info, unexpected error, server HTTP response 500 code. Okay, compulsory not need Java Firefox uninstalled and reinstalled. You want to try it. Okay, I am just tried Java Firefox uninstalled and reinstall it both applications. Maximum this is a server issue. Okay, this is a maximum server issue. You want to try. I am tried this thing for Java Firefox uninstalled and installed. I have given description Java links, Firefox link. For Firefox is under 50 and Java is 8 any version. Okay, you can use. Now I installed 38 version. Okay. Java 8 version, Firefox under 50. Okay. That's everything off and here login and I check it. Okay. want to run this option. Now sign in PDF, sign in number, PIN. Okay, so day by day I am uploading my channel IT related content videos. Subscribe this channel. Okay friends, upload success. Subscribe this channel and click bell icon.